Yeah. Don't nothing come to a sleeper but a dream. Let's say I'm now accepting girlfriend applications. I'm about to be wifed up before Christmas come. You feel me? Nah, for real. I'm making too much money. I've been doing everything. I'm about to be wifed up before Christmas comes. So I'm just putting it out there first. Big Draco gonna have a girlfriend before Christmas. You know what I'm saying? It's time for me to be caked up and cashing out. Y'all gonna hit the DM, you know what I'm saying? Send your application in. It's time for me to be caked up, you know what I'm saying? It's the holiday spirit. It's cold. No kizzy, no kizzy, no kizzy. So remember I told y'all first, you feel me? Fuck all the bullshit. I'm not gonna be single on Christmas. I'm just not, bro. I'm gonna be caked up. So when y'all see me all caked up and booed up, be like, oh yeah, that nigga told us he was gonna do that shit. Now, Christmas looking too good. Christmas looking too good. They said, I can't believe you wake up this early. I was the first rapper to go live today. Nigga, can't nobody out hustle me. I wake up the earliest. I go to sleep last. Nobody could out hustle me. I'm the hottest rapper in the game. I'm the hardest working man in show business. They can't fuck with me. The Millennium Tour sold out, nigga. I killed the whole tour, nigga. You feel me? For my fans, I'm going to be giving away some SODMG hoodies. I'm going to be giving away some Soulja Boy game consoles. And I'm going to be cashing out hundreds of dollars to different little fans. They say, did you get sleep? Man, I slept good. I slept like a baby bottom. Suck my dick. And if you find nothing but 100 in here, I'm a bitch. If you find anything but 100 in my bankroll, I'm a bitch, nigga. If you find anything but 100 in here, nigga, I'm a bitch, nigga. Anything other than 100 in this motherfucking stack, nigga, that mean I'm a bitch, nigga. That's what that mean, nigga. I ain't never been a bitch, nigga. Stop playing, nigga. I ran up by myself in the pandemic, nigga. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me, nigga. These niggas can't fuck with me. Cause if they could, they'd be fucking with me. Yo. You see anything but 100 in this motherfucker, I'm a bitch. I'm a bitch. I'm a bitch. Nigga talking about they see 50s. Y'all niggas blind. You need to go get your motherfucking iron shit, bitch. I know how I'm funny. 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 Yeah. 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 That ain't including the Cartier. That ain't including the 3 bracelets. That ain't including the ring, the teeth. That ain't including the chain. That ain't including the house. That ain't including the Lambo. That ain't including the Bitcoin portfolio, the crypto portfolio. That ain't including the real estate, the record label, the album, the royalties. You do the math. That ain't including Soulja Boy game console, Soulja toys, Soulja pineapple cream soda, Soulja lemonade. You know what I'm saying? That ain't including that. You do the math. That's not including the NFT Soulja Boy. That's not including the Soulja Boy NFT. You do the math. You do the math. That ain't including the watch and the ring and the teeth and the chain and the ring and the house and the cars and the clothes. You do the math, nigga. You do the math, nigga. Add it up, nigga. Add it up, nigga. You do the math. That ain't include Soulja Exotics, nigga. Yeah, that ain't including the Soulja Boy toy, nigga. You do the... Yeah, you do the math, nigga. That ain't including the Lamborghini Urus, nigga. That ain't including that. That ain't including the Bentley GT. That ain't including the Lamborghini. You do the math. I got 2 Lamborghinis. I got 2 Lamborghinis. You do the math. They could never be me. You do the math. Azzy, what up? Big Draco. Big Azzy. Let me tell you something. They can't fuck with the kid. How much longer is my hustle gonna go overlooked? My new TV show on the way. That's not including the swimming pool. That's not including She Make It Clout. That's not including Ricky Morty royalties. That's not including the Big Draco 2 album sales. That's not including the Crank That single sales. That's not including that. My TV show on the way. That's not including my clothing line. They're going to overlook my hustle until it's too late. They're not going to give me my credit until I make $1 billion. You do the math. You do the math. And I'm 100% independent. I'm 100% independent. That's not including She Make It Clout. That's not including She Make It Clout. I did 3 million on TikTok. 50 million on Spotify. That ain't including, that's not including none of that. I'm 100% independent. All right, this is what we're going to do. I said I was going to stay out of drama. I said I wasn't going to say no more rappers' names. I said a lot of shit, but get what? Lil Yachty. Lil Yachty, who the fuck you think you is, nigga? Lil Yachty. Who the fuck you think you is? You think you Kanye? Let me tell y'all, hold on, let's get started on this nigga Lil Yachty. Cause today I got time. Let me tell y'all what this nigga Lil Yachty did, bro. Lil Yachty, you got me fucked up. Now, I wasn't gonna do this. Let me tell y'all what Lil Yachty. Lil Yachty think he Kanye, y'all. Lil Yachty, what's wrong with this nigga? Listen to this shit, right? Yesterday, Lil Yachty put out a new song, right? I want y'all to listen to this shit. Yeah. Mind you, Lil Yachty called me on the phone and said, Soulja, I want you to get on this song with me. This nigga sent me this song. Lil Yachty, I don't know who you think you is. You is not Kanye. I ain't even let Kanye get away with this shit. Why you think I'm gonna let you get away with this shit, bro? This nigga Lil Yachty had the nerve to send me a song talking about get on it. Listen to the song me and Lil Yachty did. Is that not the same song? Lil Yachty, who you think you is? Kanye West, you got me fucked up, nigga. Then I just get on Kanye West's ass about sending me a song and not putting the fucking song out? Then what you do, Lil Yachty? You turn around and do the same thing. This the same song. I could damn near still hear my ad-libs in this shit, Yachty. What's wrong with you, bro? That's the song he just dropped. This the song that he sent me to get on. Yachty, what's going on, bro? It's the same exact song, bro. Let me find out you niggas is stealing my sound. Y'all niggas is stealing my swag. Y'all niggas is sending me the song. I'm getting on the song, and y'all taking me out the song and stealing sauce. Lil Yachty, you a fuck nigga, bro. On gang, you a fuck nigga. You called me on the phone talking about some, what's up, twin? I got this song I want you to put on. Because I had the bees in my head. You got the bees in here. What's up, twin? Let's do this song. Man, let me tell y'all this. All you rap niggas, stop calling me, bro. Oh, God. Lil Yachty, Kanye West. Matter of fact, hold on. I'm not even done. Stunner for Vegas, I'm on your ass, too. Stunner for Vegas. All you rap niggas, bro, I don't know if y'all trying to use me for marketing, but y'all gonna get all the marketing y'all want. Stunner for Vegas, what? Y'all heard that, right? Y'all heard that. Listen to this song this nigga Stunner for Vegas sent me to get on, bruh. This nigga Stunner for Vegas sent me the song to my Draco. This shit hard, woo. Listen to this song. Bro, it's the same song. That's 3 songs. Kanye West, Lil Yachty, and Stunner for Vegas. Y'all got me fucked up. Y'all got me fucked up. This is a PSA. This is a public service announcement. None of you rappers call my phone no more, please. I'm begging y'all. Stop. Because this shit is a slap in the face. After a minute, I'm going to start getting tried. Like y'all niggas sending me songs and what? Kanye, this shit your fault. This shit your fault, Kanye. Before this Donda album shit, nobody wasn't trying Big Draco like that. Now you got Lil Yachty sending me songs and taking me off the song. You got Stunner 4 Vegas sending me songs and putting the songs out with Big Yavo and SSG Kobe. What is going on around here? This a PSA. No rappers call me for no features no more. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I don't understand what's going on. They say that y'all using me for marketing. Y'all using me so I can get on here. Y'all know I'm going to get mad. I'm a spaz. I don't give a fuck. You can use me for all the marketing you want because I'm going to speak on it. Don't send me no song talking about get on the song and then take me off the song like I'm just some peon. Like, bro, no features, bro. No features, bro, because y'all niggas is weird. Y'all is weird. This is literally the same exact song. Both songs. Like, y'all ain't even changed nothing out the song. This shit crazy, bro. I don't understand. Instagram, why these niggas trying me like that? They said don't nobody want to feature with you. Then why the fuck is these niggas calling my phone and sending me the song? It ain't like I call Lil Yachty. It ain't like I call Kanye. It ain't like I call Stunner 4 Vegas like, hey, bro, let's do a song. These niggas calling me, bro. This shit don't. Y'all gonna make me mad in a minute, bro. Like, bro, stop it, bro. If you're not gonna put me on the song, don't call me, bro. Like, y'all ain't get what I said when I was talking about Kanye. I just got on Kanye ass about this same shit, bro. Then Lil Yachty, you call my phone every motherfucking day, bro. So you couldn't call me and say, Draco, I'm finna put SSG Kobe on the song. You weird, bro. That's weird, bro. That's weird, bro. That's it, don't let them use you. Nah, bro, I'm speaking on this shit, bro. I'm speaking on this shit, bro, because this shit ain't right, bro. Y'all niggas is weird, bro. Niggas called me for a song, talking about get on a song, and then just drop the song out the blue with a whole nother rapper. Like, who y'all think I'm is, bro? Like, bro, y'all niggas lame as hell, bro. Same fucking song, I could damn near hear my ad-libs in the back. Like, what the fuck going on? Y'all niggas gotta pay me. I don't give a fuck. I still want my bag. Pussy nigga can't say my shit ain't right. I made She Make It Clap. I made Ricky Morty. None of you niggas songs ain't go more viral than She Make It Clap this year, bro. Period, nigga. So, man. These rappers is weird. Don't not call, bro. None of you rap niggas, bro. Don't call me, bro. Don't DM me. Don't send me no more. So I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. Y'all see I had the biggest comeback. I'm getting 100,000 a day. I'm touring sold out. I'm trending every day. Y'all niggas is clout chasing, bro. Y'all know I'm gonna get on live and talk shit. I'm gonna talk shit. Let me find out I'm killing you niggas on y'all own song and y'all don't want to put it out. Just say that. Just say that. I'm killing you niggas on y'all own song and y'all don't want me to put out. Y'all don't want me to take y'all fans, bro. So, Lil Yachty. Nah, I'm gonna keep it gangster. Lil Yachty, you can keep calling me because that ain't the only song we did. We got more songs. They talking about why don't you call them? Why they ain't call me? Fuck you talking about? Nigga called me every day before the song came out. So once the song came out, why the fuck you can't call me and say, Draco, this song finna come out? So now I ain't finna call no nigga and be like, why you ain't put me on a song? Bitch, I'm finna go live. Just how you put the song out to the whole world, I'm finna go live to the whole world. Y'all niggas lame as hell. Nigga call my phone, somebody do a verse then. Who y'all nigga think y'all is, Kanye? Only nigga that could do that is Kanye, bro. Y'all niggas not Kanye, bro. The fuck? Yo, Kanye, you got me fucked up. When I see you, look what you got these rap niggas doing to me, bro. Got these rap niggas taking me out songs like it's a trend or something, bro. This the type of shit I gotta deal with as an artist. Imagine how that make me feel, bro. Niggas ain't gonna keep taking me out songs, bro. On gang. They talking about don't take it personal. Man, I take shit personal. I'm a real street nigga. I come from the trenches. We don't do shit like that, bro. That's whole shit, bro. I'm going to say it like this. You niggas will never have a hit bigger than She Make It Clap. You niggas will never have a hit bigger than Crank That. You niggas will never have a hit bigger than Ricky Morty. You niggas will never be bigger than me. Suck a dick. How about that? Don't call my fucking phone no more. Oh, God, bro. Next rap nigga call my phone, talk about let's do a verse, I'm gonna want to fight off the top. Next rap nigga send me a fucking song to my email, talking about get on this. I'm gonna be like, all right, where you at? What's your address? Let's go. Y'all can hear me? My phone about to die, man. Y'all can hear me, bro? Rapping ass niggas. That's why I don't fuck with the rap game, bro. This shit fake. Niggas be like, why you ain't got songs with such and such? Why you don't do this and why you don't do that? Cause the rap game fake as hell, bro. I'm too real for this shit. I'm the type of nigga they want you to sit back and